Kaseng kabalatip kum ka Manipuri Elders Consortium Shillong MECS haka pratarik no pra ar hajar ar pusau kala penlong ya kajing pen khu yagi benta jang ka khandai lat halor ka thong bat kajing thumu ban penlong ya nong ba Shillong kum ka nong ba ka ba khu bat ka balat na kajing sata ki jabo jaban bat ki plastik habai kran bat kinong thok khubor na kalyang ka General Secretary jang ka seng ka sangai lema kala penshai halor kajing thumu ban penlong ya kajing pen khu ya ka nong ba kalong hadin kajing yo I ba kanong ba Shillong kala de kanong ba ka pau ba hak ba bun ki ba wan jing okai ye ki banta jing ka khandai lat police bazar lani ka balong kum ka pdeng ka ba ki pat ba ki wan kai ba the jing the.
Today, we, the members of Manipuri Elders Consortium Shillong, has organized a cleanliness drive at Khandai Lat, Shillong. We organized this program in the perspective that Shillong is a tourist place and Khandai Lat being the main attraction and the main gathering of the tourists, we thought that it would be a nice contribution from our part, from the Manipuri Elders Consortium to keep the area clean and green. So our main aim for conducting this cleanliness drive is to make Shillong clean, green and to make the people coming to Shillong have a good impression and a good memory of the clean Shillong. Thank you.
Today's our cleaning drive is organized by MECS, all the members of MECS. We have done a very good cleaning drive today in morning 6:30, and the main aim of our cleaning drive is just to maintain the cleanliness around Shillong, and this is a hub of the tourist hub. At the same time, to maintain good health, and also the look more clean and look nice. And top of that, this is Scotland of the Northeast. So we should maintain this thing. So we support by all MECS members. Thank you.
Good boy, good boy. Junior mo. Before and after ko mo. India जो सब कुछ न साफ पाएंगे ना इंडिया का Apa pemanggil lagi dong ni? Fight le lagi. Fight.
Oh.
Ya,